Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello, everyone. Today we're drawing a cute cow. Let's get started. First, I'll draw the big head and add 2 round eyes. Then I'll draw 2 ears and 2 horns on top of the head.
Okay.
Next, I'll draw the cow's body, followed by its udder and 4 legs.
Oh!
After that, I'll add the tail and some patterns inside the body to make it look more realistic. Now, it's time to color. I'll start with pink for the mouth, ears, and udder.
Whoa!
Then I'll color the horns and the tail orange. For the body patterns, I'll use maroon. Lastly, I'll color the heels of the legs orange. Yay! To finish, I'll use a black marker to highlight the drawing, making it pop.
So cute.
And there you have it, a colorful and cute cow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun tutorials. See you next time.
Bye.